Hi, this How to 1 Minute will show you how to add a order tracking page or order tracking form in Wix. So if you add a order tracking form in your Wix website, any visitors will be able to track their order using the order tracking form. And here's how to do it. First of all, go to your Wix site editor. So first of all, we have to configure order tracking app with our Wix website. So once you are in your site editor here, click on Add Apps, and you will directly jump into Wix App Market. Here, just click on Search Apps and type here Track and search for it. And then you have to search for this app, track order tracking page. So all you have to need is just click on the specific app and just click on add to site. And here check this box and click on agree and add. And the tracker app will be added to your Wix website. Once the app successfully added to your Wix website, and then a new Wix page will be automatically created and a tracking order form will be added automatically. As you can see, the form added. Or if you want to add the track order form manually, then all you have to need, go to the specific page and go to the section and click on add elements. And here scroll down all the way to the bottom and just hover over on app widgets and click on tracking page, and here you will find the track order form. Just click on that to add the form to your specific page. Okay, once the form added, now select the form and click on change design. And now from here you can customize your order tracking box design. Once your customization finish, okay, now you can change anything from these options. Now I'm going to preview my tracking order page, and here as you can see, I've successfully added a tracking page or order tracking page to my Wix website. And now on, anyone will be able to easily find or track their order by entering here the order number and their email address. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.